welcome to another video of Nilu versus model, and today this is my look. I'm very inspired by brown tones, by coffee colored tones in my outfit right now. So this is the outfit that I'm wearing to start this video. I am secretly enjoying doing these series. Like I said, during the lockdown, the only thing that I found I really love to do is shop a lot. So today in my video, I got a bunch of stuff from Zara. So I'm going to open the box. I'm going to show you what are the products I got, and we're going to see whether it looks nice on the model or on Nilu. I know it looks nice on the model, but am I able to carry the outfit as well as the model did? Does it look good on my 5 feet 1 inch frame, petite frame? I think my waist is like around 28, 29 right now. Does it look good on this frame? We're gonna see in a few minutes. Okay guys, here is this huge box from Zara. And this is the first product that I got. So I was really into this pink jacket. I don't know why, I'm just so into blazers that when I saw this oversized blazer, like it had my favorite word on it, oversized and blazer. So I just had to get this blazer. So I have not tried it too. So I'm just gonna see on the mirror how it looks like. Oh my god, I think it looks amazing on me. Alright, I really do like the fit, and this is how it looks like on me versus the model. I think we both do a decent job. I love the fit of this blazer. I like how it just ends here. I'm very particular about my blazer fits, and considering that I have so many blazers, I am extremely picky about my blazers as well. So this is the fit. It doesn't have like any inside pockets. The inside fabric is more like cotton, but I really like the material of this blazer, and I think it fits me perfectly. Definitely loving this. So guys, this is how it looks like when I button the blazer, and I'm going to rotate around so that you see how it looks like from the front as well as the back. So just in case you guys are a little confused about the fit on my frame, I'm 5 feet 1 inches tall, my shoulder width is like 16, my waist fluctuates between a 28 and a 26, my hip is around 32, I have an apple shaped body, and this is how this outfit looks like on me. Alright, now moving on to the next outfit. Alright guys, my next outfit is this really sexy blazer dress, again from Zara. This one is from the Zara Purple collection, which I think is a limited edition collection. I'm not quite sure about it, but the moment I saw this blazer dress in my size, I had to get it. This one is in the size extra small. Just before I forget, the previous blazer was also in the size extra small. For somebody who loves colors, this one seemed like the perfect dress. I'm gonna quickly try it on and show to you how it looks like. Okay guys, so this is the blazer dress. I really like the fit of this dress. Oh my god, it's just so fashionable. The pockets are sewn shut because it's still new, but I am loving the fit of this dress. Okay, so this is how it looks like on the model versus me. So I think for a 5'1", this length is like just about perfect. Like this is where, if it were like shorter, probably like my butt cheeks would show. This is where my butt cheek is. So we just have like a 2-inch gap from there, and then I just feel this is made for like a petite frame, because I don't think this is going to fit someone who's like slightly taller than I am, because it's kind of short, right? What do you guys think? I'm not sure if someone who's taller than me has tried this dress, but on a 5'1" frame, this is how it looks like. So this is actually very similar to a black dress, blazer dress, also from Zara, that I already have, but the fit is more snug, and it seems more like a recycled blazer in neon color. This is definitely an eye turner, and I love it so much because this is so in sync with my personal style. I think I have to take a photo in this. Alright, now, so we're done with this dress. Now it's time for me to move on to a different outfit, which is going to be this wide leg jeans. This is in the size 04 USA, European 36, Mexican 26. It's a wide leg jeans, and the reason why I got it is because I have overused my blue wide leg jeans so much that it's become soft. So this jeans fabric is quite stiff, so it's not supposed to be so soft, I think, but I like it so much. I've overused it so much that it was time for me to get it in a different color. Let me quickly change and get back. Okay, so since this is jeans, I'm also gonna pair this with a black ripped t-shirt that I got. So I've been wearing these ripped t-shirts a lot. They are like $7.90. Yeah, they're $7.90. They're very basic, which means that they are so versatile. They get along with any kind of outfit. I could even have worn this underneath this dress, so it just looks good with a lot of different outfits. So I just got this because for layering. Alright, now let me quickly change into this outfit and I'm going to show you the fits. Okay, so here we go. It feels a little tight to me. Like, I think probably I need to order it in a slightly bigger size because it does feel tight. Okay, but anyways, just kind of sorting the pockets out. I guess I need to buy a size bigger. Sure. I'm just not able to button this. It's so hard. Okay, I give up. I'm just gonna break my nails. Okay guys, so this is the ripped t-shirt from Zara. If you have probably seen my previous videos, you've seen me wearing this in a white alternative a lot because I'm really fond of these ripped t-shirts. I think this pant has to go back in exchange for a bigger size. So I used to always wear a 36, but I think I'll now have to go for a 38. So this is how it looks like on me versus the model. Okay? So I'm just gonna like rotate so that you can see how it looks like. So this is actually like my go-to style, and you'll probably see me wearing this combo a lot because I really am obsessed with wearing wide leg jeans and like tank tops at the moment. It's so basic, it's versatile, it's casual, yet it's not very boring. And you know, there's like so many ways you can accessorize this. Like in the past, I wore it with like chunky jewelry pieces. I could probably wear it with like chunky bracelets, no jewelry, just bracelets. I think the best way is accessorizing these simple pieces to make it look really interesting. So the next outfit that I'm going to try is this cropped jeans jacket, also from the Zara Purple collection. So they have like these really quirky pieces that I absolutely love. So let me quickly go ahead and try this jacket and see how it looks like. This is so cool. Alright, so this is how it looks like on me, guys, versus the model. This is so my style. Okay, so the sleeves run a little long because I ordered this in a size medium in comparison to the extra small that I am in Zara. So I like wearing my denim jackets like a little loose. I don't like my denim jackets to be snug. Hey! To be snug around the arms. So I really So I really liked this jacket and I wanted the sleeves to be like a little loose, so here we go. I think it was the right choice because I like how it slightly feels baggy, but it doesn't have the rest of the baggage material on it. Alright, now moving on to the last item that I got from Zara. That's gonna be this shirt. Let me quickly try it on, see if it looks good on me. It also comes with a pouch which I'm gonna show you soon. So let me quickly change and I'm getting back to you. So this is a poplin shirt. I'm not sure if this is also called a poplin shirt, but these are the printed shirts that I saw on Zara. It comes along with this pouch which I think I can carry. I think I can carry a lot of things because it looks like it's quite wide inside. Like I can even fit an umbrella in here. Isn't that nice? I guess so. The material is the same, but this one is like slightly thicker. It has like a kind of thick fabric lining the bag. Yeah, I think it's just like they have doubled the fabric inside to make this bag like this. Okay, so yeah, this is another shirt and this is how it looks like on me versus the model. Okay, so when I picked this shirt up, I actually saw only two things, that is the color and the print. But what I didn't realize was the neckline and the pleats around here. Like it was not so evident for me initially. Like I think I was just so excited looking at the prints and the colors that I didn't really look into the design well. And this is sadly not my kind of style. Like I don't feel me, even though it has like my favorite color and the prints on it. This is definitely not me, so I know for a fact that this is going back. The fabric seems really nice, like it's perfect for summer. It's a very breathable fabric, if I can say, and I think this would look really nice for like if you have a formal wear to work, but you also like to add a little bit of quirk to your formal wear, then I would definitely suggest you this shirt. For me, I'm not really sure. Since I don't go to office and I don't have any dress code, I don't see myself wearing this more. I'm more of the neon dress kind of person than a shirt like this. So for me, this is definitely going back. So right now I'm wearing two things that I'm going back to Zara. Sorry Zara, this one is definitely coming back. This one is not, though the fabric is really nice. Goes so well with my nails as well. So yeah guys, so that concludes my Nilu versus model video. I hope you enjoyed this video and do let me know which outfit was your favorite in the comments below. Do you think I'm able to carry them all off? Like do let me know. I have shot a lot of interesting videos for you guys. So I do hope that you press on the like, subscribe and especially the bell button guys. Until we meet again guys in the next video, stay safe, stay positive, and I wish you all have an amazing day, evening, wherever you are.